Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Blazor CRUD operations with Entity Framework Core in .NET 8. In this tutorial, we'll walk through creating a simple Blazor WebAssembly application that performs CRUD operations using Entity Framework Core. We'll use .NET 8 for our project setup. This will include creating a database context, a model, and a Blazor component to manage the CRUD operations. Prerequisites: 1. .NET SDK 8, https://.net.microsoft.com/download/.net/8.0. 2. A code editor, example Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code. 3. Basic knowledge of C and Blazor. Step 1. Set up the project. 1. Create a Blazor WebAssembly project. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. This creates a Blazor WebAssembly app with an ASP.NET Core backend. 2. Add Entity Framework Core. Navigate to the server project folder, typically blazorcrudapp.server, and add the necessary nuget packages for Entity Framework Core and a database provider, example SQL Server. Step 2. Create the model. In the blazorcrudapp.server project, create a new folder named Models and add a class named product.cs. Step 3. Create the DB context. In the same Models folder, create a new class named appdbcontext.cs. Step 4. Register the DB context. Open the startup.cs file in the blazorcrudapp.server project and register the appdb context in the configure services method. Step 5. Add connection string. Open appsettings.json in the blazorcrudapp.server project and add a connection string for your database. Step 6. Create the API controller. Create a new folder named Controllers in the blazorcrudapp.server project and add a controller named productscontroller.cs. Step 7. Create the Blazor component. In the blazorcrudapp.client project, create a new folder named Pages and add a new Razor component named products.razor. Step 8. Update the main layout. In mainlayout.razor, add a link to the products page. Step 9. Run migrations. 1. Navigate to the blazorcrudapp.server project directory. 2. Run the following commands to create and apply migrations. Step 10. Run the application. Now you can run your application. In the terminal, type. Open your browser and navigate to https://localhost5001/products. You should be able to perform CRUD operations on the product model. Summary. In this tutorial, we built a simple Blazor WebAssembly application that connects to an ASP.NET Core server, performs CRUD operations on a product entity using Entity Framework Core, and interacts with a SQL Server database. You can extend this application further by adding validation, authentication, and more complex business logic as needed.